You've been holding your breath, waiting for someone to tell you it's okay to stop. Come, sit with me for a quiet moment. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it all go. Right now, we're just going to listen. Not think, not fix, just hear what's here. Notice the furthest sound you can find, something distant, out beyond the walls. You don't have to name it, just let it arrive. Now, a little closer, whatever sounds are near you. Let them come and go, each one appearing, then dissolving, none of them staying. Breathe in and out. Now notice the quietest sound there is, your own breathing. This breath that won't happen again. This exact one. And between the sounds, notice the silence underneath. It's always been there, waiting for you to stop long enough to hear it. You didn't need permission. Thank yourself for listening. Not to me, to this moment, while it's still here. And when you're ready, open your eyes.